Hey everybody, welcome to the Team Vault channel where we cover all things movement.
Where our aim is to deliver content that makes you better tomorrow than you are today.
Awesome, so elaborating on from last week's workout of the week, this week we've got a kettlebell workout again, this time with 2 kettlebells, a little bit more advanced, a little bit more complex perhaps compared to last week's routine that we threw at you. So let's go, workout of the week.
Let's go, guys. Alright guys, that was our workout of the week. This week with 2 kettlebells. Okay, more challenging than the single kettlebell from last time. So again, your feedback coming in, still on the kettlebells, but you wanted us to make it a little bit more challenging. Hence, we went with 2.
That's right, double that intensity. As we said last week, leave us some messages, leave us some comments below, let us know exactly what it is that you want to see us doing so that you can then do for yourself in your own workout. Program it in, have a little mix and match. Have a go with the single kettlebell workout from last week, followed by that double kettlebell workout from this week. Use it as your little smorgasbord of knowledge and of workouts that you can apply anytime you come either into the gym or wherever you are. If you're at a hotel, if you're at home, if you've got these bits of kit, awesome. So we'll look forward to hearing from you guys, and we'll see you next time.
So remember to subscribe, and you can stay up to date with everything that we do. See you next time, guys.